Which would that be?
Want me to do it for you? I'm sure you how Jamaica dancehall go over here. So you see, we want to hear you. Just give me the light and pass the show, and then signal the plane. Then uno don't grind me. First thing uno no bowl, and then now we want to hear Wayne Wonder no letting go. And girl must broke off them back 7 million times. So you see, broke off your back. You see, broke off your no gay. That away we want to hear.
That's it.
Let me tell you something. He hates it, right? And as DJs out here, it's not a New York crowd. It's not a Florida crowd. It's not a Jamaica crowd. It's not a London crowd, right?
It's just a crowd.
It's the LA crowd, which is very different. Because low-key, a LA set can work anywhere in LA. They don't have to be about dancehall, but they like dancehall. You can try, unless you go to like Belizean parties, you can try with the new stuff, but brother, you're going to be pulling teeth until you play Broke Off Your Back. They're just waiting for you to play.